Hi there, I'm Sorin from NordPass. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to Passkeys, a new passwordless authentication method that reduces our reliance on passwords. For a long time, any login process that didn't require the input of a password was considered passwordless. It included email magic links, SMS codes, and push notifications, which I bet you are familiar with. However, with the introduction of Passkey technology, this understanding has shifted. Passkeys redefine the very concept of passwordless and represent the future of user authentication. The technology combines supreme security along with a frictionless user experience. Passkeys are a technology designed to allow people to securely log into apps and websites without needing to enter a password. Let me show you. Imagine you want to sign up for a new online service that supports Passkeys. All you need to do is add your email or username and confirm the prompt to create a passkey. In just a few taps, your device generates a strong and unique key pair for your account and stores it in NordPass. Also, this passkey is synced and works across all devices and operating systems. Whenever you want to log into the same website or app, all you need to do is tap the suggested passkey for that account and you are logged in. You may have noticed that you don't need to come up with a new password and try to satisfy any complexity requirements. The passkey is generated for you and will be used automatically every time you need to log in to that account. Easy, right? You can clearly see that the Passkey technology offers a better, more user-friendly way to manage your online accounts. Now, let's see how this technology is superior to passwords from a security standpoint. Currently, some websites hash and salt your passwords before storing them on the server, but there are many websites which leave your passwords in plain text. When logging in, if the password you type corresponds with the one saved on the server, you are in. Servers storing passwords, hashed or plain, are a goldmine for hackers because criminals can use a variety of techniques to figure out your password from the server data and gain access to your account. On the other hand, with Passkey technology, the information saved on a server is way less interesting to a hacker. Once you sign up to a website supporting Passkey technology, your device generates a pair of related keys, unique for every single account. The first one, the private key, is saved on your device, and the second, the public key, is stored on the website server. Without one another, private and public keys are simply useless. When logging in, the server sends a request to the user's device, which can only be answered by the related passkey stored there. The keys are then paired and you're granted access to your account. So, at the end of the day, the odds for both the website server and your device getting hacked at the same time are very low because Passkey technology is built on public key cryptography and also supports biometric authentication. This combination of cybersecurity measures offers strong resistance to phishing attacks and takes poor password habits completely out of the equation. Weak or reused passwords are no longer an issue with Passkeys. At NordPass, we work to provide faster, easier, and safer access to your online accounts. Therefore, the implementation of Passkey technology is now at the top of our agenda. You can visit our website for the latest news from NordPass on our passwordless solutions.